In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Kajabi to ThriveCart. We'll be using Zapier to bridge the two platforms so that when someone purchases your product in ThriveCart, they can automatically receive access to the right offer inside Kajabi. This is a great way to automate fulfillment, save time, and make sure customers get access quickly without you having to manually manage each purchase. To get started, log into your Zapier account. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, click Create Zap. This opens a new automation where you'll define the trigger, which is what starts the workflow, and the action, which is what happens next. First, set up the trigger. Click on Trigger, then in the app search bar, type in ThriveCart. When it appears, select ThriveCart as your trigger app. After that, click the event dropdown and choose Product Purchase. This tells Zapier that the automation should begin whenever a purchase happens in ThriveCart. Next, click to connect your ThriveCart account. Follow the authentication prompts to link it with Zapier. As you go through this step, make sure you're connecting the correct ThriveCart account, especially if you manage more than one. After the account is connected, choose the specific product you're selling. This is important because you want the automation tied to the exact purchase that should unlock access in Kajabi. Once that's selected, run a test so Zapier can pull in sample purchase data. This test helps confirm that the trigger is working properly and gives you customer data you can use in the next setup steps. Now that the trigger is ready, move on to the action. Click on Action to choose what should happen after the ThriveCart purchase is detected. In the app search bar, type in Kajabi and then select Kajabi from the results. Next, click on the event dropdown for Kajabi and choose Grant Access to an Offer. This action is what gives the customer access to your content, course, membership, or product inside Kajabi after they complete their purchase in ThriveCart. Now, sign into your Kajabi account. Zapier may ask you to connect using your login details or an API-based connection, depending on the connection method available in your setup. Just follow the prompts to complete the connection securely. Once Kajabi is connected, click Continue. From here, you'll choose the Kajabi site you want to use and then select the corresponding offer that the customer should receive. Be careful during this step because the offer you choose determines exactly what the buyer gets access to. If you have several offers with similar names, it's worth taking an extra moment to confirm you've selected the correct one. After that, map the customer fields from ThriveCart into Kajabi. You'll want to pull the customer's name and email address from the ThriveCart trigger data and place them into the matching Kajabi user fields. Field mapping is what allows Zapier to take the customer information from the purchase and send it into Kajabi accurately. If these fields aren't matched correctly, the access may not be assigned the way you expect, so double check them before moving on. Once the mapping is complete, test the action. This step is important because it confirms that Zapier can successfully send the purchase data to Kajabi and grant access to the selected offer. If the test goes through correctly, you're ready for the final step. Turn on your Zap. From that point forward, whenever a customer buys that product in ThriveCart, Zapier will automatically send their information to Kajabi and grant them access to the offer you configured. That's it. You've now connected ThriveCart to Kajabi using Zapier, creating a smooth and automated delivery process for your customers.